So another one of the big pain points is the material cost. And the beauty of 3D construction printing is that when we print those walls, we're not only creating the structure, but that is also the exterior finish and the interior finish. And so we have just saved all that material as well, on top of the labor that that represents. And then there is the unique designs we can create. We can do curves and angles and bevels. My entire career has been straight, square, and plumb. And now we get to do these curved, beautiful, organic structures that actually are quite affordable with 3D printing. They would be extremely cost prohibitive in traditional construction, but now we can actually execute those with a printing robot. So it really, it addressed everything I had concerns and dreams over. It squarely addressed it, and now we actually had a structural and an energy path towards getting it approved in California, and sure enough, we did get it approved here in California as what we believe is the first on-site 3D printed house that is approved for the California Building Code. So we are primed and ready to start building.